Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you a very simple calculation. One of the basic things you need to know before you go into importation is how to convert Yuan to Naira. That is RMB to Naira and Naira to RMB. It is very simple. Despite the simplicity, it is very important, because if you don't know how to do this thing, you are going to end up being cheated. Let me just put it this way. If you want to buy RMB from someone, let's say you send 210,000 and you don't know the amount 210,000 will give you in yuan, and the person just sends amount to you, like that. If you don't know, you won't be able to determine the exact amount. You'll be able to know if you have been cheated or not, or if the person made a mistake or not. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, let's dive right into the video so that I can show you this simple calculation you can do in just few seconds. Let's say you want to buy yuan. Okay, you will have just 210,000 naira. That is 210,000 naira, like this, and you are wondering how much this 210,000 naira will give you in yuan. So all you need to do is divide it by the current yuan rate. You need to ask the person that what is the current rate, so that the person will not cheat you. You ask the person the current rate first before you send the money, or before you tell the person the amount that you want to purchase. So if the person tells you that today's rate is 195. Okay. If the person says it's 195, all you need to do is just to divide it by the 195. So now it's going to give you 1,076.92 yuan. If the person sends you 1,076, tell the person to complete it. You should send the remaining point 92, because this 92 is also very important. You see some products on 1688, you see the price would be maybe 15.90 yuan or 15.50 yuan. Some people, they like removing this after dots. They don't removing what is next. No, when the person sends you 1,076, tell the person that it is remaining 0.92 yuan, because that 92 is also important. So now let me do another example. Let's say you want to buy RMB of 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Just multiply, I mean, divide it by 195. It will give you 512.82. If the rate is reduced, let's say the rate is 188, you just do the same thing, divide it by 188. So now let's say you want to buy goods from 1688 or Pinduoduo, and the amount of everything you want to buy is 800. Is 800 yuan. Just multiply it by the rate 195. It will give you the naira of 156,000. It's very simple. So if you want to, now let's say it's 156,000 you want to use to buy, you don't know the amount it will give you in yuan. You just divide it again by 195. You see that it give you back that 800 yuan. So one is multiplication, one is division. That is very simple like that. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching, guys. I believe the video is helpful. Please consider clicking on the like button so that the algorithm can see the video as a helpful video and show it to more people. Also, consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more of my videos on importation, updates from China, update from, Alipay, 1688, Pinduoduo, even business tips, the kind of business you can go into this year that will make you lots of money, kind of product you can sell, that will make you lots of money. So guys, thank you once again for watching. See you in my next video.